How to see if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the very first step is to launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have installed the latest version so that you won't miss out any new features. If you have already done so, then you can simply open it and you can go on the chat icon right there. Now if you want to see any person, then you can simply go on the add section right here and then see and search for any random person. And if you want to see if the person has blocked you or not, just tap on their profile. So here I cannot see the person's snap score on this profile. That means we are not friends on Snapchat. So if you want to know if someone has removed you on Snapchat, then you can simply tap on the profile. And if you don't see the snap score, then the person has removed you. And if the person has blocked you, then you will not find the person's ID even if you tap on the top search bar. So that's how you can know it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.